Hello everybody, welcome to the next tutorial. This time we'll be studying about the bubble sort, and in this lecture we'll be doing bubble sort, how bubble sort works theoretically, and in the next lecture we'll be discussing about bubble sort using C coding. Okay, so let us start. Like I have discussed in the last video tutorial, that if number of elements we take are 5, then number of iteration will be 4. Okay, I mean if number of elements in the sequence that are required to be sorted are n, then n minus 1 will be the number of iterations. Okay, you can see here this is the first iteration, and in this iteration I have taken 5 number of elements, and in first iteration what is being finalized is the last element. Okay, the largest element in the series will be at the last position, and the next iteration you will see that the last but one, that is the fourth element, will be sorted. In the next iteration you will see that the third element will be sorted, and in the last one all the elements will be sorted. Okay, so what is basic idea behind bubble sort? We will start from the iteration number 1. In iteration number 1, what we do is we try to compare element at 0th position with the first element. If element is the larger one, then it will be shifted, otherwise it will be remaining at its position. And the next iteration, what we will be doing with, we will try to compare 21 with 2. If 2 is largest, then it will be remaining here. If 2 is we can see here that 21 is largest, and we have to shift the largest element at the right side, so we will be swapping these elements. Okay, so 21 will be shifted at the position of 2, and 2 will be swapped at the position of 21. Okay, now in the next iteration 21 will be compared with the 17, and if 17 is, we can see, smaller, so 21 will be shifted to the right, and as we can see here that 17 is here and 21 is here. Now in the next iteration 21 is compared with 5, and 5 is shifted to the left as 21 is the larger than 5. Okay, so this is the final step of this iteration. So finally what we have got is 21 is the largest element from this list, and it has been shifted to the last position. So in bubble sort what we will be doing is we will be finalizing the heavier element at the depth. Okay, so higher elements with the higher weights will be going into the deep. Okay, so next what we do is we come to the next iteration, and this is result what we have got from the last iteration. 21 has been settled. Now we will be leaving behind 21, and we will be working with all the elements, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So the steps in this iteration will be as follow. 2 will be compared with 12, as 12 is a heavier element, so it will be on the right side, and next 12 will be compared with the 17. 17 is already heavier, so it will be in the right side. Now the element at this position, that 17, will be compared with the 5, and we can see here that 5 has been shifted at this position. Okay, now 17 is at the last position. Now we can see here that last element, the last element 21 was already fixed, and in this iteration we have fixed the next element, that is 17. Now the list I am here with is containing 3 elements that will be sorted into the next iteration. Okay, let us move to the next iteration, that is the third iteration. In third iteration we'll be doing the same thing. What we'll be doing is 2 will be compared with the 12. 12 is already heavier, Now 12 will be compared with the 5 and it is swapped. Okay, 5 is here and 12 is here. Now we can see here the list that 12, 21 and 17 are sorted. I'm sorry, we have to put here 17. It is by mistake. We can put it here like 17 is here and 21 is here. Sorry, 21 is here. Okay, now the list we have got is like this way. Now next we proceed is with fourth iteration. Here we have got the element in the fourth iteration, and here we have got this and the last one. So okay, 17, 21. Okay, if you see here, we have elements like 12, 17 and 21 are fixed, and in next iteration if we go, then only the last element is left, that is 2 is compared with the 5 and 5 is already heavier. It will be on the right side, so it is sorted. So now we can see in the fourth iteration all the elements are sorted. We were having 5 elements, so all the elements are sorted into the 4 iterations. Now this is now a table of importance. Well, will be coding, and that is what I'll be discussing with you in the next video tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, you can contact to me on this address, right? Satyawan Panchal. This is my name. I am a assistant professor in computer application department, Byte College. If any inquiry, please mail me at satyawanteacher@gmail.com. Thank you.